Good day, everyone. I just want to quickly show you how to request an expert on MathsGee. This will allow you to actually have video lessons, that is live video lessons with your tutor on the subject that you're interested in. And the live videos, they're either paid or free, depending on what the tutor is offering, right? So those are the two options, and it's a quick way of doing peer-to-peer knowledge exchange, and this is between the requester and the expert. So it's a tutorial basically. So I'm just going to first of all log in. I'll log in as MathsGee here, so that I can be able to actually request the tutor. So I'm logged in. Now I'll click request expert, right? And there I'm gonna say I want help in data science, right? For example, data science, and then I'll say on the 19th, and the start time, I'll say maybe 1 o'clock in the afternoon, right? Like that, 1 o'clock, maybe 30 minutes or so, up to 13:30. So that is the data science, and then I can just write a description. I need help understanding the concepts around supervised learning, for example. Supervised learning. And this is in Python, right? So I can write as much information as I want to make it clear so that there won't be any confusion. Then I can say request session, right? I'm requesting the session. So I've requested the session, and if I go into, this is my my dashboard as the user, my profile. If I go to student private sessions, you can see that I booked data science on this day from this time to this time, and it's a duration of 30 minutes. And this is where I'll see who the tutor is and what price they're coming at, right? Now, let's quickly log out, and I'm going to log in as a tutor, as an expert, so that at least you'll be able to see how the tutor accepts and how the tutor sees. So this is an expert that registered that they are an expert in data science. So they will go, the tutor, they will have received an email already to say there's someone who wants a lesson at 1 o'clock in data science and statistics. So if I go to tutor private lessons, you can see this is the same lesson, and then I say view. I can read the details about what they want, and if I like it, then I say approve. So this is me as a tutor. I'm approving, and I have two options here. I can give the lesson free if I want to, or it can be paid. And paid, the way we did it is that paid is set by the admin. It's a flat fee for the whole platform. It's 80 Rand for 30 minutes. That is 160 Rand per hour. So that is the rate. And then the platform takes 5% of any transaction that happens here as well. So there's a 5%. The 5% includes the platform fee and the payment gateway. Okay, so we're gonna do it for free for now, and then propose. So literally, I, as the tutor, have actually proposed a lesson, a free lesson to the requester, and this is my confirmation. And then I'll say okay. So if I go back into my my dashboard, I'll be able to see the different bookings that I have. You can see there, but I first of all have to be accepted by the requester for me to be able to actually give this course. Because remember, when the requester said I need help in this, it was broadcast to all the experts in that subject. So now I am logged in now as the expert. So the expert again will get an email to say the student likes what you have. So now if I go there, there's nothing anymore, right? Because now it's in the booked, where is it now? There we are, here. There we go. And then the student will approve, right? So this is the student. So now both the student and the expert have agreed that they'll have this session and it's going to be a free one. So it means that now all they have to do is to join the session at 1 o'clock, the appointed time. Also, the tutor will also have this join session where if you click right now, you'll see that it says, okay, tutor session between this is going to be at that time, but it will only, the screen will only pop up just 2 minutes before time, and then you'll be able to start, and that's it. So that is how you request a tutor on MathsGee. I hope it is simple and straightforward. So yeah, let's use the platform and exchange knowledge. Thank you.